So today we're going to show you how to prepare shiso. Oftentimes shiso will come in a container like this. When you first get it, the leaves are going to be kind of sad and maybe a little bit wilted. So what we're going to do is we're going to take them all and we're going to put them into a metal bowl, and we're going to fill this whole bowl with cold water. And we're going to leave for probably about 15 to 20 minutes. What that'll do is that'll allow the shiso leaves to soak up the water and become a lot more lively, and they're not going to be wilted and saggy and sad. They're going to be nice, lively, they're going to be full of color, and they'll hold their shape much better. After adding everything to the metal bowl, now it's time to just fill this with water and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before we shake them out and then put them into containers. So now we'll go ahead and put it into our container. What we can do is any of the stems here, we can just come and go ahead and pull them off real quick. And then go ahead and place the shiso in our container. Doing this way, we'll have enough room to place 2 bunches of shiso next to each other here. So we're going to go ahead and keep shaking off. Then we'll go ahead again, remove any extra stem. And then I'm going to go ahead and place it next to it. After this, we're going to take the other half. We're going to go ahead and place it over the top of our shiso. And then we're going to keep moving on. With a small container like this, we're only going to be able to fit about half of the amount of shiso you're normally going to get in an order. Because of this, we're only going to do a few layers. We don't want to pack in all of the shiso into one container. That'll end up ruining it. Now that we're here, we're going to do one final layer. We're going to place a paper towel over the top. Remove the stems. And then since this is going to be the last one we're going to put in, we can just lay it straight in the middle. Then we're going to go ahead and cover it with one more paper towel. And then we can go ahead, put a lid on it so that it's sealed. Then we will label it and put it in the refrigerator for later use.